YST-G19-D4 intelligent lockstitch sewing machine. It has bottle foot lifter, auto thread TRI and NMER and reserve sewing, so we operate more conveniently. Work efficiency can be improved. It uses more harder and durable ELC plated needle, which is not easy to leak oil. It uses more softer and wearable copper bushes. The leg is adjustable at 5 levels. The bigger button makes operate more easier. Working speed can reach 3,700 RPM and the max speed can reach 5,000 RPM or high speed, more convenient.